welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Mildy. If you're old here, you know we logged in. Thank you for the support, the likes, the share. As you can tell by the title of the video, it's a birthday vlog and we're going to Cape Town.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
I've never been to Cape Town. I've always wanted to go to Cape Town. So I said, you know what, why not go to Cape Town? It was between Aruba, Cancun, and Cape Town. I said, you know what? I'm gonna go to Cape Town. I'm on my way right now to Sephora because I need to get some new makeup products. I need to get my nails done, my hair installed, my brows done, my lashes done. So I'm gonna take you guys with me through the prep. Enjoy, guys. We're gonna have a little bit of karaoke.
What's the matter? Who he vex? Say we up and running near true flex. Conversations back in them days, yeah, say who is next? Shade me, yummy, you won't get them. My try my share, I'm stuck with him for life. Me know me a dreamer posing, double up as a nonsense.
So I just got to the mall. We're about to go inside, but listen to what Black Sharif is saying.
How many times did they write to me? Yes, to me die, to me die. Try to keep your one eye open, left eye closed and the right eye working. One eye open, one eye open, one eye open. No. Some people are talking me wrong, and skipping it cool, rust stay man, cause I keep on bombing from there. Tell them, to me die, to me die. Come again, to me die, to me die. Keep your one eye open, one eye open, one eye open, one eye open.
Okay, I'll see you guys later.
In the city, maybe you should drive a Yukon. Pick up whenever you call.
Literally roamed the whole store and I can't find Sephora. One thing about me, I would rather figure things out on my own before I ask for help. I'm gonna try one more time. If I don't find Sephora, look at how pretty this flower is. If I don't find Sephora, I'm gonna have to ask.
Few moments later.
Okay, so I'm convinced Sephora is now on this floor. I think it will be downstairs, but that's what I think. So let's go find out.
If I didn't love you, babe, what would I do? If I didn't love you, babe, what would I do? If I didn't love you.
Someone is gonna come in and help me, so I'm gonna leave you guys. See you guys in a minute. We have an empty bag. Let's see what we end up with.
I know you like it when I tell you what you want. If you play what you doing, you don't know. I can tell your friends you can do one just for me. You like to go slow, you like to go faster. Let me the password.
So this was my previous shade, but since I came back from Ghana, I got a little darker. So we got a shade darker, which is this.
With the roof gone, I pull up that Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on. Like you hard, I know. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Let me the password.
Okay. So I choose between these three, right?
Yes. This is an antibacterial face spray and a lip gloss. This is a hairstyling cream and a hairspray. And this is a face peel kit.
Okay, I'll do the lip gloss. Yeah. Thank you.
What's gonna make you big? What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe, what would I do? If I didn't love you, babe, what would I do?
Keep on trying me, I feel it quietly, trying to silence me, my anxiety.
We're going home. Hi guys, I'm back. I am so excited because I was able to find everything I wanted. Let me show you guys what I got. today's my birthday, so your birthday you get like little goodies. So I got this. I had 3 options to choose from, and I chose this because it's a toner with a lip gloss. Gloss foundation. Originally going for the Born This Way because I love this, but the lady that helped me, she had this flawless under eye look. She uses this, so I got this. I got this lip liner. I'm a brown lip liner girly. See this? You see how pigmented that is? And this is not gonna move. You can have this on all day and it's not gonna move. Your boyfriend can kiss you, your husband can kiss you. This is gonna be on all day. So that is that. I got the Huda Beauty. This is my second time buying this. Got the Charlotte Tilbury lip. It's called Kissin'. It's like a pink nudie shade. I got this Danessa Myricks Beauty. First of all, when I found out the founder is a black woman, I said clock it, like support black business. This blurs your pores. I have seen so many good reviews about this. So that's all we got, guys. Yeah, we're gonna go to the second location. I need to go meet up with my supplier for my perfume oil base. If you guys are not familiar, I have a perfume brand. It's called the No Elixir Beauty. We make our own perfumes, and I get my perfume oils from Dubai and Paris. Also, I need to restock. I have people asking for the His Highness, and I have people asking for the Candelibre and the Malaika Noir. So I'm going to meet up with him so we can restock. Okay guys, I'll talk to you later.
Put up on the ice again, and in the year all of the bad man them. Give thanks for life again, and you're not meant to be down the summer lucky. You're gonna cook it, and I choke it.
Guys, I have a package. We're about to see what it is. Oh, this is nice. I love it.
Leave it out like 3 to 4 hours at room temp before you eat it.
All right. What flavor is this?
It is vanilla cake with cookie butter filling and vanilla buttercream. Just enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, this is nice.
From Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things.
Hey guys, today is Tuesday. Today is maintenance day. I wanted to come here and show you guys my nails. I got my nails done. I got my toes done. I'm on my way to get my hair installed. I'm doing a blonde highlight wig. I haven't decided if I want a side part or if I want a middle part, but I'm gonna decide when I get there. I'm gonna get my lashes done, and I'll also get my brows done. So I'll catch you guys when I get there. This is the wig I'm installing. About to cut the lace. Now is 11:37 p.m. I just got done with everything. My brows are done, lashes are done, hair is done. How are we liking the hair? I'm about to drive home, so I'll catch you guys when I get home. Bye.
Yeah. Girl, you know what's up. We'll be rolling, scheming on you and your homies. Every first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line. Say what? You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need.
Just when I thought I received all my presents, look at what I received. Okay, I already had this, so let's look at this. Oh my god, love it.
The next day.
Want to see my nails? Order for some food. I'm waiting for my food. I'm waiting for them to call my number.
I've been so long, where do I begin? And to me, you are a star, so still. Even though I found your pretty eyes out of mobile.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board flight 47B. You're currently cleared for takeoff. Smoking is prohibited for the duration of the flight. Thank you for choosing Fly Asia Airlines. Enjoy your flight.
Got a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe hit the drama. Unless you come in with that commas. Oh, DJ, turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker.
This is so cute. Oh my god, guys, we're in Cape Town. I just got to my Airbnb. The view is amazing. I'm gonna give you guys a simple room tour like I always do. I just wanted to come and check in with you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Hey guys, I just wanted to break down what we're doing today. So today is Friday. I landed in Cape Town yesterday. I booked a 10-hour tour, basically like tour around Cape Town. This is 10 locations, but the tour guide takes you to 10 different locations, like the Table Mountain, the Lion's Head, popular places.
Anything. I feel see my enemies praising me. So I feel change my mind about the fan low. So I feel change my mind about the men low. So I feel change my mind and be like anything. I feel see the enemies pleasing me. Big miss mama you fan low. Big miss mama you men low. Big miss mama ya anything. I feel see my enemies praising me.
It's time to go to the next location. Let's look at how beautiful this place is, but it's too windy.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my items. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Trying to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning.
In 1488, when Bartholomew Dias came here, he thought it was Cape Town. He realized he was in the wrong bay. That's why we call it the False Bay. Temperature of the water in the False Bay, 12 to 15 degrees. Temperature here, 2 to 5 degrees. So what's happening here? They merge. This is the end of the world in Africa. When Bartholomew Dias came here, he called this the Cape of Storms. Out of 365 days, the wind would blow for 200 days.
Hello guys. Just wanted to come in here and say something. I just realized I haven't spoken to you guys. So yeah, I'm with a tour group because I'm traveling by myself. It's beautiful. We just stopped at a point to take some pictures. Beautiful. People are taking pictures on that side, but that's where I draw the line. Because God will make an example out of me. Love it.
I really need a different mind now. I really need my now. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot mix.
This road was built in 1915 until 1922. Currently 112 years old.
Yogi, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since '06 I've been writing this story. I know be Yogi, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know you below me. Music shows me, just know this and know me.
Few moments later.
I'm just taking a break because it's windy. I'm exhausted. We're about to go see the penguins. I'm so excited. It's like that. It's cool. I'm just here chilling in Cape Town. I hope you guys are having a good day. Bye.
I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love has seen the way to believe I do with the world I'm seeing now. We are nobody who did over. Not the Lord I live over. Who's a gold with a leper? That's how they move the shit out. And then I really put it too bad. Midnight was not shit out. Who's a gold with a leper? That's how they move the shit out. And then I really.
Let's go. Look. Yeah, we lost the hat. She's gonna find it. I have to give the documentary. Oh, we found it! Yay!
Rescue mission.
Yeah.
There it is.
We got it. Oh, it's two. She found two.
Yeah.
Good job.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride.
Here we go, guys.
Hey guys, I just came back from the club. It was lit. It was fun. Hold on. Wait a minute. Let's rewind this. Let's rewind it. So I have my Fendi purse. I want something I can carry. So my Fendi purse. And I got this set from Fashion Nova. This is what the back looks like. Cute set. And these are my accessories. I have my Van Cleef, my watch. I have my Hermes rings. I have a necklace.
I just got back to my room. I am so exhausted, guys. I have a long day today. I have a helicopter ride today, like a Yatch party, so excited. It was a good night. It was definitely something different. I usually go on solo dates, but I've never gone on a solo nightclub. But it was fun. A gentleman paid for my drink. One thing I appreciate about the guys here is they respect your nose, because he was like, oh, can I have your number? I said, no, I'm just here to have fun, but thank you. And he was very respectful. I just realized I haven't given you guys a room tour, so let's do a room tour. But first, let me show you guys the balcony. So let's check the balcony out. Oh my god, I just know it's cold. I haven't even opened the way I haven't even opened this. Let me see. Oh my day. Do you guys see this? The city is right here. Look at this. Okay, so we're gonna have a room tour. This is the balcony. I just came from the balcony. It has beautiful views. It's a couch. There's a table. Right opposite you, there's a TV. There's a closet. Don't judge me, guys. I try to organize it, but I put my stuff away, like my shoes. So my shoes, my bags, just my perfumes. This is my Dior perfume. It is so cute. It says Muty right on it. I have my Dolce & Gabbana, I have my Delilah, and I have my perfume oil. This is my own brand. And there is another closet. Just hang my clothes. Okay, then we come to the kitchen area. I was able to grab some food stuff. This is for cooking, because if you guys don't know, my best friend is South African, so she told me not to use the tap water, so I had to get purified spring water. There was a microwave. They had utensils here. Yeah, have cooking wares, plates, like cleaning supplies. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around, and there's the bed. Don't judge me, guys. The bed is not in the best condition, but yeah. And right here, there's a mirror, and that's me. Oh God, I'm so tired, but I'm having fun. I've always wanted to come to SA, so we love it. But yeah, I had to bring my Stanley cup to fill it up for water. But aside that, that's it. Oh, I have to show you guys the bathroom. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. That is me. Hello. Batty. Batty, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Okay, that's not why we're here. Has some mirror. I have my wipes, my toothpaste, my toothbrush. I have a tankless with a closet. But yeah. So this is the door. So you come in from here. Let me put my purse back because. But yeah, that's it, guys. Nothing extra. It was quite an experience partying by myself today, so I'll give myself kudos for that. But yeah, I'm about to change into my PJs, go sit outside, enjoy the view. It's so dreamy outside, but it's cold. I am super surprised at how cold SA is. I thought this is summer, like this is supposed to be their summer and it's supposed to be warm, but it's super windy and it's super cold. But I'm about to get some sleep, guys. I'll talk to you later. Hey guys, good morning. Well, it's afternoon. It's almost 2 p.m. I have a helicopter ride, so I'm waiting for my Uber.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. What do you do? I'm happy that. What do you do? Say everything I.
Hello. I'm good. How are you?
When you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do right all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
I just finished with my helicopter ride. My Uber is here, so let's go, guys.
Much later.
A new day. It's a brand new day. Say proud and I spark up my day. Take a walk outside, breathing some fresh air.
It just rained and we have a rainbow. Here enjoying my drink. Invited.
Open stretch like I ain't got no worries. Like I don't care. Then I link up with must come back and feel my.
Do you guys see the view of the Table Mountain? I love it.
We could do this every night. We could do this every day. Whenever the feeling is right. And as long as we get the pay.
Oh.
In the money time, and money come. And money keep calling. So I go my guys and we light it up and we light it up. I give you anything. I light up, I give you anything.
Cheers to good life. Guys, for watching to the end of the video. I'm gonna post part 2 very soon. Thank you.